Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, chapter number 5, Name Pronouns. What? Names Pronouns. Today I am going to start the new chapter number 5, Named Pronouns. Okay? So, let's see the what is pronoun. So here is given the definition of a pronoun. Let's read it. Okay. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. We can replace a noun with pronoun. That is the definition. Okay. If given the name Alpa is the name of a given Alpa. Example, it's an example. Is given the name Alpa. Alpa is the name of a girl. So we can replace the noun name Alpa. We use she when we start the sentence. Okay. So replace the noun with what? With a pronoun. That is the title. Okay. Let's see. Here given the example. So many examples here. So here Anita has an 11-year-old son called Ratan. See here these two names. Anita has an 11-year-old son called Ratan. Two names given. Okay, it's a noun. Anita and Ratan. Now two names together start the sentence. Anita and Ratan live in Kolkata. Ratan studies in class 5 and 6. It's 6. Ratan loves to browse the internet. Ratan introduced Ratan's mother. Not talk about Ratan, but Ratan's mother to the internet. Anita now uses Anita and Ratan's computer whenever Anita finds time. Now see in this passage we see there use names. So we can use pronouns instead of the noun. That is the title. Okay. Now see in this passage is monotonous. Because why monotonous? Because every day these names comes. Okay. Anita, Ratan, the internet, Ratan's mother, repeated several times. So it's a monotonous. We use pronoun instead of using the nouns when we use the names in the second sentence. Okay. How? Let's see. See this paragraph. Okay. Anita has 11-year-old son called Ratan. Same. The first line is same. But whenever we use these two names together, we use they. See, the first paragraph is different from the second paragraph. Okay, here use Anita and Ratan. In the second sentence, we talk about this both together. So we use the pronoun. Which pronoun? They. They live in Kolkata. Ratan studies in class 6. Now talk about this Ratan in a second sentence. So he used pronoun. He loves to browse the internet. In the second sentence, pronoun is used. He introduced his mother to it. What it? Internet. Okay. Then comes she using. See what? The first paragraph here. She now uses their computer whenever she finds time. Here using this pronoun instead of using the noun. Okay. Ratan, Anita uses Ratan's computer. So instead of writing Ratan's computer, here write what? She now uses their computer whenever she finds. Okay. Anita and Ratan's computer. That is why both together join the pronouns. Okay. So in the passage B, nouns are replaced by some other words given in italic. Okay, italic words. So using the pronouns instead of using the noun in a second sentence, that is called pronoun. Okay. Now see the second page. Here given the types of pronouns and after that we will discuss these blanks. Here given the exercise. Okay, so first discuss the types, then we goes with this. Okay, types of pronouns. How many types of pronouns? See, here given the pronouns and its types. Okay, pronouns are different types. The following diagram lists the different types of pronoun. The title, the pronoun. Okay, then types of pronoun. The first types, personal pronoun. Then comes to the second type, possessive pronoun. Then demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. This is the types of pronoun. First, personal pronouns, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. But in these pronouns, in the personal pronoun is subtypes. Subjective and objective pronouns comes. Okay, but in which, in personal pronouns there are subtypes. What? Subjective and objective pronoun. Okay, so these types we will discuss on later on, means in the next class. So I go with this exercise. What is the exercise? See, in the following passage, here given the passage, this is the passage. Okay, a few pronouns have been left out. A few pronouns have been left out. Okay, so in this paragraph sentence is being formed, but in the second sentence some pronouns are missing, and we insert, what we insert? A slash, means this line slash, where you think a pronoun is missing, and write the pronouns in the blanks given. So what we do here? We do here the slash wherever we see. What we see here is pronoun coming. Okay, then we put this slash and write the pronoun where? In the blank. I already have written it. Okay, see, I already have written on it blanks, in blanks. So see, Ananya, Manu and Sophia are in New York. These three girls, talk about these three. Ananya, Manu and Sophia are in New York. Okay, the first sentence completed. Now the second sentence. See, today, here I put slash, are going to the Museum of Modern Art. Okay, so here talking about these three girls, two girls and one boy, Ananya, Manu and Sophia. These three girls. So instead of writing here these three girls' name, we use what? We use they. What we use? We use they. So here I write they. Okay, they are going to the Museum of Modern Art. That is the sentence. I put slash. Okay, now the second line. Sophia has been there before. Okay, then full stop is there. Sophia has been there before. Then I put slash. Then come had loved the place and told the others. So she talked, Sophia, in the first sentence. In the second line, okay, Sophia has been there before. She already has been there before the time. Okay, now she talked about, she had loved the place and told the other. She had been already visited the place before. So here I put slash, and what we put in the second line? She. Okay, she had loved the place and told the others. Then comes to here, sister. Then Ananya does not care too much about art. This is the sentence. So I put slash here. What we put here? Her sister. Ananya does not care too much about art. Who? Sister. Whose sister? Her sister. So I put her. Okay, here slash. Then the fourth line, the next line. Manu has always been interested in art. Now talk about Manu. Manu talked. What he talked? He has always been interested in art. He loves in art. Okay. So blank is most excited among the three friends. These three friends. So here talk about the Manu. Instead of writing the Manu in the second sentence, we use he. Manu is the name of a boy. So we use what? We use he. Okay, here I use he. He is most excited among the three friends. MoMA has a great collection of artwork. Okay, here MoMA has a great collection of artwork. The three of, then I put slash, will see when goes starry night. Okay, so talk about the three. So three of them, right? What them? Three of them will see when goes starry night. Okay, then stairs in the third last. Okay, here write the them, then here starting the sentence, but is given. Is a magnificent piece of art. What? This is the piece of art. So what? It is a piece of art. What we write? It. It is a magnificent piece of art, not a human. That is why I write it. Okay, comes it here. It is a magnificent piece of art. Vincent van Gogh was a 19th century Dutch painter. Okay, he was a painter. In which century? 19th century. Okay, then last. Style of art is known as post-impressions. Impressionist. The three friends will have a very memorable experience today. So here in this two line I put this slash here. So what I use here? His style of art. This is a man names. So I use his. His style of art is known as post-impressionist. Okay. So here put his. So this is the exercise of pronoun. We put what? Pronoun instead of using the noun, the title. I hope you understand it, and the next class I will explain the pronouns and its types. These pronouns and the types. Okay, so thank you for listening me.